This is the first part of my journey with Jetson Nano. Every video will be step-by-step guide. The goal is to create motion capture for the camera in Blender. I have a small room, but I want to recreate an effect like a Veta Digital virtual camera, like this.
Yeah, that's the camera I've been using. Yeah, and this could be an XP control, so
In this video, I want to show you an alternative option how to set up Jetson Nano without an extra display. You could use an HDMI capture card with an extra keyboard and mouse. That will be much easier than the headless mode described in the documentation. So let's go! Before we begin, you need to gather the equipment. The Nvidia Jetson Nano, power adapter, SD card, HDMI capture card, HDMI cable, keyboard and mouse. If you have everything, you need to prepare SD card with the image. So download the Jetson Nano Developer Kit SD card image and write that image on the SD card. I just use Banana Etcher, this is easy way on macOS. And remember, there is two Jetson Nano Developer Kit SD card images. Choose wisely and check your version of a Developer Kit. The next thing is putting the SD card in a Jetson. After putting the SD card in the Jetson, it's time to connecting the cables and peripherals. Keyboard, mouse, I use my wireless mouse setup from Dell, HDMI cable, our case from the Connect Jetson with a computer through HDMI capture card. The last thing is connecting the power adapter. When you connect the power adapter, there is time for first boot. And after the first boot, you should set up, review and accept Nvidia Jetson software ELA, select soft system language, keyboard layout and time zone, create username, password and computer name, optionally configure wireless networking, select app partition size, it is recommended to use a max size suggested, create a swap file, it is recommended to create a swap file. And done! We set up Jetson with easy way without an external display. And as you can see, I record everything through that HDMI capture card. I like screen approach in the documentation, but I think this is a very great setup to record what you are done with Jetson. For the future, I mounted an external fan in a case the radiator will be not enough to cool down Jetson Nano. I will put the link in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video. In the next one, I will configure the webcams as a stereo vision for my Jetson Nano. Stay tuned.